What's up guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now let's go ahead and start with the most visible attachment here, starting at the front of the mower. So the jack kit is one that definitely, if you are a do-it-yourselfer, if you're one of those that's going to be changing your blades or doing any work underneath your mower, this is an attachment you should definitely check out. And that is going to raise up the front of this mower, and it's going to be part number BUC11009. Now this next one is one of my favorites and definitely one that I would have on my mower. If I had a John Deere Z5, I would have this string trimmer mount kit, or more simply put, a weed eater mount kit. So what this is going to consist of two pieces, one that's going to go up there on your right front fork, and then a piece that is going to mount to the frame here at the back and have these adjustable straps to where you can change out your weed eater. You're able to carry that weed eater on board, so that way whenever you're off and out mowing, maybe you're out in that field, you're a ways away from the shop, you can have that weed eater on board with you, ready to use, so you can hop off, get those things done, hop right back on, and get to mowing. Now the part number for this kit is going to be BUC10952. Next is another one of my favorites and definitely one that I would have on this mower. Now this is a feature that if you have the Z5R, then these will come standard. And what I'm going to be talking about is the light kit on this mower. So as you can see, we have one on each side over here on the ROPS, and we're also going to have a set of front lights there in the front. This one over here, if we have the jack kit on and installed, it's going to block it a little bit, but once you fold that up and out of the way, you've got lights on all four corners here to make sure and light up the night if you're needing to do some nighttime mowing, some of that mowing right there at dusk, just so you can finish up. You have this light kit available, and that's going to be part number BUC10986. Next, let's move here to the foot platform and then talk about another one also that you can't see. But here at the foot platform, we're going to have two attachments. Once again, if you're in that R series, these may already come standard. But what we're going to have on here is, for one, the footrest kit that's going to give you another spot on the foot platform here to put your feet, just to add to that creature comfort. And then also we are going to have the rubber floor mat. This is going to help to reduce vibration. This is also going to help to reduce slippage, and it just gives a nice finished look to your mower. So if you're looking for the footrest kit, part number for this is going to be BUC11032. And if we're looking for the floor mat, we are part number BUC11044. Now the one that you can't see here and that you wouldn't be able to see from the naked eye on this machine is going to be the Bluetooth adapter that is actually mounted underneath your right-handed side panel, mounted to the side of the mower and connected. Now what this Bluetooth connector is going to do is allow you to connect your machine to the Mower Plus app, and that's going to allow you to do a multitude of different things. But to get this connector, the part number for that is going to be BUC10929. Now there are a couple more attachments that we can add to this mower to the front, but to do that we do have to remove the string trimmer mount kit and the jack kit to be able to add on the Toolbox kit, which is part number BUC10859, or the trash receptacle kit, which is part number BUC10847. Now both of these attachments could be very, very useful. Having that Toolbox on board, if you are needing to carry those things, it is a nice feature. If you maybe are a professional landscaper or someone that is doing custom yard work and trash is a big part of what you're having to deal with, then the trash receptacle kit may be a good option as well. But just keep in mind that you do have to choose what attachment is going to go up here on your front right fork. This is the spot that was picked on the Z5 mowers to be able to put all these attachments. So you have to pick and choose between either that string trimmer or weed eater mount kit, the trash receptacle kit, or the Toolbox kit. Now moving to the rear of the mower, we have a few options for attachments here as well. One is going to be the Hitch Kit. Now this is going to have a max ton capacity of 100 pounds, and you will be able to pull any type of attachment that has that clevis style hitch that will go over that and have a drop pin in it. So if this is something that you want for your mower, part number for this is going to be BUC10987. Now what we also have attached here is the yard tool kit. So what I have put in there right now is a rake. This could be a shovel. This could be any of those things that are on a pole or on a stick that you may want to carry on your mower. mower, very easy to attach, and the part number for that is going to be BUC11066. Now, the other thing that we can add to the rear of this mower, which is going to lead into the last two attachments, is going to be a rear bumper. Now, we can add this on. Here is going to be a clip of this being installed. This is going to be a nice feature to add to the protection of the rear of this mower, and the part number for that bumper is going to be BUC 10851. Now, talking about the last two things, I know the thought is we just went through all those attachments and we didn't talk about the two most popular attachments on any kind of mower, and that is going to be a bagger kit and a mulch kit. Now, on the Z5 mowers, you do have those options for the 48-inch deck or the 54-inch deck. This model happened to be a 60-inch deck, so I was not able to install those on this mower, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave down in the description all of the part numbers for those things, so that if you are looking into getting a bagging kit, just know that with the 48 or the 54 on the Z5, you're gonna not only need the bagging kit itself, you are going to need the rear bumper, you are going to need the power flow chute, which will be listed down there with the bagger kit parts, and the blower. And this is going to be the same way whenever we go to a 54-inch deck as well. Now, I know that's a lot of information, a lot of attachments that can go on this mower, and I often get asked, well, Brent, what would you do? So if I had a Z5M or a Z5E without the lights, all that good stuff, the attachments that I would have on this mower, if it were that, would be the light kit, because I am a procrastinator and sometimes I do have to finish up mowing when it's starting to get dark. Number two, I'm a do-it-yourselfer, so I would have the jack kit on this mower. That way I can do all that maintenance on my own, but I'm also a multitasker, so I also would want the string trimmer mount kit on my mower. Now, if this was a Z5R, I'm gonna get the lights already, so the one that I would trade it out for would be the Bluetooth adapter kit. I think that is some really cool technology. You can see where you mowed, you can track when your mower needs maintenance, you can track different things on your mower from that adapter kit. So that Bluetooth connector would be what I would choose instead of the lights if I had a Z5R. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you decide that you do need any of these attachments, make sure to go check out our other channel, 247parts.com, where you can see those attachments and how they are installed. And then go ahead and hop on over to 247parts.com and go buy those attachments straight from there. And then also, if you're needing any other John Deere parts for your mowers, gators, tractors, whatever those things are, make sure to check those out at 247parts as well. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.